Hello guys and welcome to my channel once again. So if you are new to press-ons and want to get one set for yourself but have no clue on how to take your own measurements at home, this video is all about it. Firstly, you will need a flat surface, any study table or even you can work on your floor, a white sheet of paper and a diary or a notepad to note down your measurements. So we have to make this column over here. Here I'm writing it as right hand, the thumb, index, middle, ring finger and the pinky or the little finger. Same thing, repeat it with your left hand. So make this column and keep it ready. After your chart is ready, you will need some things. Those are easily available at your home: a sellotape or scotch tape, a ruler with millimeters marking, a toothpick, a pair of scissors, and a permanent marker, but it should be a fine tip one, or you can also use a regular ballpoint pen or a gel pen for that matter. Keep all these things handy before taking your measurements. Now you have to look for the broadest part of your nail. Like if you look at my thumb is not broader at the center, but it is broader at the base, that is towards the cuticle area, somewhere around here. And for my index finger, it is broader at the center. So observe your nails carefully and find the broadest part of your nail. Mostly you will find it around the middle of your nail. And grab a piece of sellotape and place it on the broadest part like so. The tape should not have any creases or folds. Uh, Place it nicely and you can pull back your skin like so that it goes right towards the end of your nail. You can use a toothpick or the nail of your other thumb for this. After that, you have to mark the edges of your nail on the piece of sellotape like this. For accurate measurements, you have to use a pointed pen over here. Remove the piece of sellotape and stick it onto the white paper like so. With the help of scale, count the distance between the two markings. Now align your scale in such a way that the zero mark coincides with the first marking and start counting the number of lines. Like here there are 16 lines, which means the size of my thumbnail for my left hand is 16 millimeters, and I'll enter it down on the chart. It is not necessary that your left hand and the right hand measurements will be the same, so enter it in the chart very carefully. Let's try it again. For my index finger, the broadest part is at the center of my nail, so I am placing the sellotape right here and I am marking the points, and again repeat the same process and start counting the millimeters. And don't worry if the markings on the sellotape does not coincide with the millimeters on the scale. For example, count the distance as 12.5 millimeters if the marking is between the 12th and the 13th line. So the more the accurate measurements, the perfect fit you will have for your press-ons. Now just zooming in for you to show where the marking should be exactly. So you should exactly mark towards the end of your nail, that is in the sulcus, that crevice inside, like so. Also be careful while aligning your scale. You have to align the first mark at the 0 point. So enter all the measurements on the chart, and along with that I would also need a photograph of your nails. I will tell you why. So this is how you take measurements for press-ons at home, and you have to send it to me and I will make sure you have a perfect set with perfect fit for your press-ons. Next I would tell you about the shape of your nail. Now this is the cuticle area and the shape here is almost round for most of you, but now here you can see for my thumb it is more of squarish than the round. Hence I request you to send a photograph in which all the nails are visible like so. So this is how you take measurements at home for your nails for press-ons. It's quite simple guys. And now that you have a set of press-ons and you are wondering how to apply and remove them, I have made a separate video on that as well. I will link it in the description box below and also in the top right corner of this video. So this is a sample set of press-ons which I have made recently. They are all gel based and individually handcrafted. You may also customize them as per your favorite design, shape and size. So my dear friends, if you want many such designs, you can visit my Instagram account This is my Instagram account. Let's nail it with Roshali. So you will find many more designs over there. And also follow me on Facebook. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And to place orders, you can direct message me on my Instagram or Facebook account. So see you guys in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.